Hi, in this video we are going to see the ICAI Doctoral Fellowship scheme, guys. Okay, it is a scholarship scheme 2021. So the candidates who wants to get the PhD scholarship, okay, if you don't have the any other scholarships and if you are facing some financial assistance problem, okay, in your PhD, then it is a wonderful opportunity, guys. So it is one of the scheme, and here you will get the total 19,50,000 rupees for the 3 years you will get, and the UGC NET or GATE qualification is not at all required, and the caste categories are not at all considered here. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Present content of the video. So here you may check down. It is a ICAI Doctoral Scholarship Scheme 2021. Okay, so we will see the details completely regarding this one, guys, and message from the few famous personalities regarding this ICAI. So doctoral fellowship will be awarded to the registered PhD scholars from the UGC recognized or the reputed Indian universities or the deemed universities or colleges or IIMs having university or IIMs approved PhD programs to pursue and complete their doctoral research in auditing, taxation, commerce, management and accounting. Okay, so if you belongs to these departments, then you may apply for this one, guys, and the candidates must have confirmed PhD registration. Okay, so these are things, and coming to the eligibility conditions, here you may check down. So there are 3 eligibilities are there. Okay, anyhow we will check our eligibility, main eligibility criteria. At least 75% in 10th and 12th standard, it is a main point. And next one is candidate shall be full-time student at the university or college or institution while pursuing PhD for their attendance and classes. Okay, so this one, and the candidate should not avail any other scholarships for their PhD program. And other criteria for shortlisting of applications are given here. Only the applicants who have applied for the PhD after the introduction of ICAI Doctoral Scholarship Scheme 2020 are encouraged to apply for the scheme. Okay, that means the candidates who applied for the PhD after May 7, 2020 will be encouraged, and application shall be forwarded by supervisor of the candidate for PhD or any other competent signing authority of the university or the college or institution. That means you are not supposed to send the application, guys. Here the application has to be sent by your supervisor or else your guide, okay, or else in which institute you are doing. Okay, candidates are advised to apply only if they are pursuing PhD in the relevant and contemporary topic, considering the current economic scenario matching with the ICAI mandate, intent to add value to the society, scalable and having global relevance. Right? So how to apply? How to apply means here, following documents must be sent to Research Committee, the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, ICAI Bhavan, 8th floor, Administrative Building, A29, Sector 62, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And application form. So click on this one. Then you will be directed to the application form, guys. So here I will show you the application form. Yeah, so it is a form, guys. Name of the applicant, age, DOB, mobile number, email ID, and if any ICAI membership is there, then the number. So marks obtained in 10th, 12th, graduation, okay, post-graduation, and marks obtained in the CA, foundation of year of passing, intermediate and final year, post-graduation, if any MPhil is there, if NET is there, SLET is there, okay, and what is the PhD registration or the enrollment number, fine. So, and here few attachments are mentioned here, so you have to attach all these things, guys, and the scanned copy of application form along with the enclosures may be submitted at this one, doctoral.research@icaai.in. However, while awarding the scholarship, original documents of all the enclosures shall be mandatorily required. Okay, so it is a point, guys, fine. And coming back to this one, research proposal also you must attach, and abstract 3,300 words respectively, and the relevant enclosures just like the details given in the application form just now I shown you. All the documents should be received before 15th June 2021, duly signed and stamped by the supervisor of the candidate for PhD or any other competent signing authority of the university, college or institution. So here the last date is 15th June 2020, actually before that one. Okay. And procedure for award of scholarship. Applications are initially scrutinized by the research committee secretariat. Thereafter, shortlisting committee will shortlist region-wise meritorious proposals from the eligible applications, and such applicants may also be invited for presentation before shortlisting committee. The recommendations of the shortlisting committee will then be placed before the research committee of its final proposal. And how much amount you will get? 50,000 rupees per month scholarship to be awarded to 5 scholars annually for the maximum period of 36 months. That means per year only 5 scholars, okay, and 50,000 rupees per month, plus every year you will get the 50,000 contingency also. That means total nearly 19 lakhs 50,000 rupees you will get this. And the joining and release of scholars, the scholar must join the scholarship within the 4 weeks of the date of the award letter by submitting the required documents through the affiliating or administrating institution. Okay, this may be extended by the ICAI up to 6 months in deserving cases, and the sanction of scholarship will be issued initially for a period of 1 year only, effective from the date of joining of the scholar in the scholarship. The renewal of the scholarship for the subsequent year shall be subject to the satisfactory annual performance of your research work, and at least one research paper in International Journal of Repute and one in ICAI journal. And monitoring of scholars, so that there will be a regular monitoring of the scholarship is done based upon the quarterly and annual progress reports submitted by the scholar and duly forwarded by the supervisor. The scholarship may be discontinued if the research progress is not satisfied. Okay, so during the scholarships, the scholars are required to publish yearly at least one paper in the International Journal and one in the ICAI, okay, as we already saw there. And completion of scholarship. So if the scholar leaves the scholarship before its full term, he or she must inform ICAI in advance, and the scholar shall be permitted to retain the grant released from the joining date till the date of leaving, subject to submission of the following. Okay, so these are the things, guys. So you may check down here. So anyhow, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. So the research proposal format is also mentioned here: title, introduction, objectives of the study, research questions or hypothesis, review of literature, research methodology, relevance and anticipated outcomes, and tentative chapterization and bibliography. Fine. And the suggested scholarship topics are human resource accounting, simplification of human resource laws, government sector accounting, integrated reporting, international taxation laws, and water audit. So if you belongs to, these are the suggested topics from the ICAI, guys. So if you belongs to these topics, then definitely there is most of the chances are there to sanction the scholarship, okay, if it is well and good as per the ICAI rules. Okay, guys, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide